And it's easy to do when you've consumed more than a few. I must have lost track of time in that dark tavern light. I forgot that we made plans for tonight. Mindy, won't you let me in, please? I'm standing on the front porch, but I can't find my keys. Mindy, won't you let me in, please? Mindy, please, open the door. I know you can hear me, and I know you're upset, 'cause the meal has gone cold and the table's still set. I know the look in your eyes when you're too mad to shout. And although I deserve it, baby, don't lock me out. Mindy, won't you let me in, please? I'm standing on the front porch, but I can't find my keys. Mindy, won't you let me in, please? Baby, won't you open the door? My hand's about to break, I can't knock anymore. Baby, won't you open the door? Mindy, please, open the door. I'm trying to be the man you deserve, but it's a struggle to change my ways. Just when I think I'm getting there, oh, I have one of those days. But you know that I love you every day. My heart feels it more and more and more and more. Mindy, won't you let me in, please? I'm standing on the front porch, but I can't find my keys. Mindy, won't you let me in, please? Baby, won't you open the door? My hand's about to break, I can't knock anymore. I promise you this time for sure. Tonight